Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can perform the hard reset for your JBL Xtreme 3. So what you want to do is this. First, I know that hard reset is important when you can't really even turn it on. So the soft reset is that when you're going to turn it on, then you're going to have a plus, hold and press plus button and the play button at the same time for like 10 seconds. That's a soft reset. But the hard reset is that you're going to hold and press the minus, plus, and play button at the same time. So you're gonna press all these three at the same time and you're gonna hold it for about 10 seconds. And this is how you're gonna perform the hard reset. So let's go again. You want to press the play button, the volume up and volume down button at the same time, and just press it and hold it. And this is how you're gonna do it, and this is how you can actually perform the hard reset. So thank you very much for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.